Giant friends, I am standing in front of you to deliver a lecture on the topic ASEAN, stand for Association of Southeast Asian Nation. For the ease of understanding, I have been dividing my topic in three subparts. Now come to the historical background of ASEAN. As the region of South Asia suffering from the economic and the political consequences due to the repeated colonization from the western part of the world. And secondly, after the end of Cold War era, there is a problem for the nation building due to the problem of economic and the poverty in the South Asia region. Now, after that, the ASEAN was established during the Bangkok Declaration. Now, come to the objective of the Asian nation. First one is the primary objective to promote or to accelerate the economic and the socio-economic development and the cultural development of the members. And secondary objective is to maintain the regional peace and the stability in the member based on the rule of law and the UN Charter. Its founding members were only five: Philippines, Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia, and Cambodia. After that, many countries joined that, and the number is increased to 10. However, in the year of 2003, established the community based on mainly on three pillars. First one is Asian Security Community. Second one is the Asian Socio-Economic Community, and third one is the Asian Socio-Cultural Economic Community. First, as due to the territorial dispute, they signed the agreement to maintain the peace, stability, and the cooperation between members. As the ASEAN has not so much economy as compared to the European Union and the United Nations, but it has much growing economy as compared to all, and it has much focused on the FTA, free trade agreement, and for the labor and the service. Now come to the India and the ASEAN relation. However, during the Cold War era, India neighborhood foreign policy does not able to pay much adequate attention to the ASEAN. But now in recent years, India signed an agreement with the three members of ASEAN: Thailand, Malaysia, and the Myanmar. After that, the significance of the ASEAN, as it is the only organization where the platform is provided to solve the political and the territorial dispute between the members. Thank you.